Welcome back to another video. We are in the kitchen today and I am very excited for this one. I am doing 5 meals that are high protein, involve absolutely no cooking, that you can prep for lunch, you can have for a quick meal, whatever you need. We are gonna rapid fire through all these, so let's get started with the very first one. We are going for the first meal with a Greek yogurt bowl. This is an absolute cheat code that really helps with protein. For all of these recipes, I'm going to do 1 serving size for each of these. However, you can make it however you want with the amount of protein that you need. Typically, you want 1 gram per pound of body weight, so you can use that depending. So we are gonna go with 1 serving of Greek yogurt, which is 170 grams. Bang, right there. Then the cheat code, low protein powder. This is level 1 by First Form, one of my favorite protein powders. I'm going with chocolate and we are gonna do a full scoop. So 1 serving of this yogurt is 18 grams of protein. 1 serving of this protein powder is 24. So we are getting a total of 42 grams of protein in this meal. So all we're gonna do is mix. Now, when you're mixing a powder with yogurt, patience. Don't do too much. The powder's gonna go everywhere if you do. Just take it nice and slow. Now, feel free. You can add anything to this. You can add PB powder. You can add regular peanut butter. You can add cacao powder. You can add honey. You can add whatever you want. Personally, all I'm gonna do is this. Very easy. Cut an apple. Grab a piece, dip it right into your yogurt bowl, and take a bite. And that's it. That's number 1. Jumping straight into number 2, we have an even easier one. So we have this oven roasted turkey breast that has 3 servings, 2 slices, 11 grams of protein per 2 slices. So that means for this entire package, you can get 33 grams of protein for $6. Pretty good. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slap on some of these turkey breasts. Again, I would have all of them, but I'm just gonna show you what I do. All we're gonna do is take some mustard or any condiment that you want, put it all over. Then we are going to roll it on up. Bang. That's it. You have a turkey roll up. Now you can do anything. You can add some veggies in this. You can add some spinach in this. You can add some seasoning to this. Do whatever you want, or just have it straight up. And you can have all these. Number 3, we got another easy one. We are going with canned tuna. Probably should have opened and drained it beforehand. So we are going with 1 can of tuna. This can of tuna has 30 grams of protein, 29 to be exact. And all you have to do to prep, well, technically, that's all you have to do. However, I am not just eating straight canned tuna, so I will show you guys what I do to make it a little better tasting. Again, you add another can, you're already getting 60 grams of protein in 1 meal. So we're gonna go with All Reliable. We're gonna go with some mustard. I like doing mustard instead of mayo just to bring down the calories a little bit. Some pepper, if I can get it, garlic salt. Then we're gonna mix this bad boy up. Now, so many things you can do with this. You can put it in a sandwich. You can put it in a salad. You can just have it with rice cakes. I've done that before. But that is so easy right there. Just like that, 30 grams of protein. We are absolutely flying through these. We got 2 more. We are going with cottage cheese, one of my probably 2nd favorite protein choices. 1 serving of cottage cheese, which is half a cup, is 13 grams of protein. So we're gonna double this, make this a 26 gram of protein meal / snack, and it's going to be amazing. Now again, this recipe, there's so many different things you can do with cottage cheese. You can do fruit in it. You can do, I've seen people like make some dips with it and some other desserts. However, what I'm gonna do, one of my favorite things to do, is we are going to make a little Italian caprese salad. All you're gonna do is cut up some tomatoes, throw them on in there, however many you want. All right. Then we're gonna drizzle a little bit of balsamic vinegar right on top. Bang, bang. And then some dried basil to top this off. Look at that. So easy, so simple, tastes exactly like a caprese salad, and you're getting protein. It's unreal. And our last, but certainly not least, recipe that we are doing might be a fan favorite. We are going with cereal. Yes, so you can go with any cereal that you want. Personally, I'm going with the healthiest possible that I could find. And I found this from Farmers We Know. Well, the ingredients are only sprouted whole grain brown rice, organic coconut sugar, but it only has 1 gram of added, and then unrefined salt. So this is a good one. Another really good brand is the Ezekiel bread brand. They actually make a cereal as well. So what we are gonna do, the serving size is 3/4 of a cup for 23 grams of carbs and 2 grams of protein. We'll just do a full cup just to show you guys. All right, it's kind of looks like Rice Krispies. All right, so we're gonna do about a cup right in there. I don't know why I have the scale under there because I'm using a measuring cup. And then this is the cheat code. We are going to add a 30 gram of protein Fairlife shake into this. I love these shakes. They are clean, they are quick, they are easy, and we can make cereal. So right here, we are getting 32 grams of protein in a cereal. Look at this. Yes, this one is chocolate. I would typically go regular or vanilla, but look at this. It's cereal. And that is a wrap. 5 meals, high protein, no prep, help you hit your protein goals. Like I said, adjust the serving sizes based on what you need, but this was so easy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe. Come back every single Monday at 10 a.m. for a new video, and I will catch you next week. Peace.